What's up, guys? Today I will tellin' about two kune tunj 1995 Croatia. Issuer Croatia. Period Republic 1991 date. Type standard circulation coins. Years 1993 to 2021. Value 2 kun, 2 kunas. Currency kuna 1994 to 2022. Composition nickel brass 65% copper, 23.2% zinc, 11.8% nickel. Weight 6.2 grams. Diameter 24.5 millimeters. Thickness 1.73 millimeters. Shape round. Technique milled. Orientation metal alignment. Demonetized January 15, 2023. Number N301 help. References KM10 shown 14. Obverse. A marten running to the right and the denomination on its outstretched body in the country name above. The arms of Croatia are in the center of the bottom edge, with a stylized laurel twig in bloom to the right and a sprig of an oak tree with fruit to the left. Script, Latin. Lettering, Republika Hrvatska, kune. Translation, Republic of Croatia. Engraver, Kuzma Kovacic. Reverse. A tuna to the right in the center, and its name in Croatian above, and the date in the center of the bottom edge, the engraver's initials in water design near center. Script, Latin. Lettering, tunj, KK 1995. Translation, tuna. Engraver, Kuzma Kovacic. Edge, reeded 94 grooves. 2 kun Croatian texts. Obverse. Mint. Croatian mint Hrvatska Kovnica Novka, Sveta Nedelja, Zagreb County, Croatia 1993 date I. Country Croatia, period Republika Hrvatska. Currency Croatian kuna. Coin type circulation coins. Denomination 2 kun. Year 1999. Composition copper, zinc, nickel. Edge type reeded. Shape round. Alignment metal 0 degree. Weight G6.2. Diameter M and N 24.5. Thickness M and M 1.75. Number KM10. Records exist from the Middle Ages of attacks and or a currency in the then highly valued marten skins, which were recorded as marturina, marten-tax, or kunovina in Lower Pannonia, modern-day Hungary and Slavonia. Slavonia's first minted currency was the frizatik, but in the 13th century, the Ban of Slavonia issued a marten-adorned silver coin called the banovac. 5. The idea of a kuna currency reappeared in 1939 when the Banovina of Croatia, an autonomous province established within the Kingdom of Yugoslavia, planned to issue its own money, along with the Yugoslav dinar. 7. In 1941, when the Ustaš regime formed the independent state of Croatia, they used the kuna as its currency. It remained in circulation until 1945, when Croatia became part of SFR Yugoslavia and the Yugoslav dinar became the official currency. 8. The plural form of kuna in Croatian is kun. It can vary because of different number declension rules. For example, 2 kun, 10 kuna. It has no relation to the various Slavic currencies named koruna, translated as kruna in Croatian, which means crown. In 1994, 10 coins were introduced in denominations of 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 lipa, 1, 2, 5, and 25 kuna. The coins are issued in 2 versions, one with the name of the plant or animal in Croatian issued in odd years, the other with the name in Latin issued in even years. Overall, more coins have been minted with Croatian names than with names in Latin. 17. Lipa is the Croatian word for linden or tilia tree, a species that was traditionally planted around marketplaces in Croatia and other lands under Habsburg monarchy rule during the early modern period. Due to their low value, 1 and 2 lipa coins were rarely used. Since 2009, these coins were no longer minted, but the Croatian National Bank stated that it had no plans for withdrawing them, and the 1 and 2 lipa coins were still minted as non-circulating, mainly for numismatic collections. The modern kuna was introduced on May 30, 1994, starting a period of transition from the Croatian dinar, introduced in 1991, which ended on 31 December 1994. 10 kuna was equivalent to 1,000 dinars at a fixed exchange rate. The kuna was pegged to the Deutsche Mark from the start. With the replacement of the mark by the euro, the kuna's peg effectively switched to the euro. The choice of the name kuna was controversial, because the same currency name had been used by the independent state of Croatia, but this was dismissed as a red herring. Since the same name was also in use during the Banovina of Croatia and by the State Anti-Fascist Council for the National Liberation of Croatia, Zavno 8, an alternative proposal for the name of the new currency was kruna, crown, divided into 100% Banica, viceroy's wife, but this was deemed too similar to the Austro-Hungarian krone and found inappropriate for the country, which is a republic. Even though Czechia and until 2008, Slovakia used currencies whose names translate to crown. A long-time policy of the Croatian National Bank was to keep the fluctuations of the kuna's exchange rate against the euro, or previously the mark, within a relatively stable range. Since the introduction of the euro in 1999, the exchange rate between the two currencies rarely fluctuated to a substantial degree, remaining at a near constant 7.51 HRK to euro rate. Croatia joined the European Union on July 1, 2013, and the exchange rate mechanism on July 10, 2020, at a rate of 7.53450 kunas to 1 euro.